Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the fourth Element Xerotherm Sock. So Xerotherm is it's basically a thermal base layer. It was designed for NASA. It's very effective at wicking moisture away from your body incredibly quickly. It also keeps that layer of air all over your body. So for your socks, this is going to keep it over your foot and keep your feet nice and warm without being too bulky. It's very flexible, so it's going to be really easy to get on and off, and also it's going to give you a full range of motion, especially in the ankle for all your fin kicks. On the inside, it's very soft and flexible, very comfortable. You've got that flat stitching, so it's not going to rub in any way. So you put these on first, and even if your dry suit floods, it's going to keep a lot of that moisture away from your skin as much as it can, pushes it out to the outside, and hopefully keeps you nice and warm. As I said, originally designed for NASA, so it's very, very space-age technology. It's used by navies, police divers, even the FBI. It's a fantastic material, and it's a great base layer. You can wear it by yourself if it's a little warmer, or you can wear it underneath your dry suit sock just to bump it up when it gets colder. So that's the fourth Element Xerotherm Sock. Thanks for watching, guys. Safe diving.